up? Welcome back to my channel, and it's been so long that I've uploaded a YouTube, and let's get started. What am I going to talk about today? The best review on an accessory. This is going to be completely honest in how beautiful it is. So let's get started. So, if you do not know me, my name is Anika and I review products on Amazon and YouTube as well as on Instagram, and give my honest review on products that I receive, I buy, or the products sent to me. So let's cut the chase and give a review to this amazing accessories brand called as GIVA. They are accessory jewelry brand in India, shipped all over India, and they are so affordable that I had to speak about it. The main reason why today I took this brand to review about is because of the quality. To me, as an individual, simple, elegant, and quality products and affordable price is everything. And I believe people are searching for it, and we need to speak about it. This is the product, and this is how it comes in a cute package. I love cute packages. So let's open it. Brand the purchase comes with a warranty card and as well as a care card. Let me just be very frank. I am a fetish to jewelry. I have worn from oxidized to the real gold, and I am very picky with accessories. If you might see my Instagram, you might be knowing that I review a lot for jewelry stuff, and mostly it's because I steal it from my mom. But anyways, I got something for my own, and I probably will gift this to my mom because she does not know what is inside this, nor I. So you can see how excited I am. Ooh, so pretty. So this is how the packaging is, and let's see what's inside together. Wow, something like a silver stone. I believe it's such a coincidence. I'm already wearing a square stone accessories, which was in my drawer, which is somewhat similar to my earring too. This is really pretty though. It's a silver piece with 1 carat diamond on it, I believe, and it's completely silver. So let's try this on. The best thing about GIVA, I believe GIVA, that's how it's pronounced, the brand, is that they are authenticated, as well as their certification of proving this accessory is authenticated. 1, 2 is it's affordable. We all search for accessories which are affordable. It's so pretty. Okay, my neighbors might be thinking that I'm mad because I'm just staring at my light and speaking here. So, though I don't care. This is so pretty. Can you guys see the shine? So yeah. So I'll just give a close-up. Yeah, it's pretty cute one. It also comes with a small card where it speaks about how the brand is crafted with fine silver, as well as it obviously it has its minimal womanhood in it, and its elegant design is one of the plus point. It is affordable. What else do you want? Quality is most important, and the second thing is the price is under our range. So let's see. The warranty says that it is 92.5% silver, so that is the purity of the accessory, as well as there is a registration under the brand. It also has AAA plus warranty, as well as it is crafted with 925 silver. So which means this has its authentication, as well as they have provided you with the requirements to take care of this jewelry, which is pretty sweet. Okay, the things that you should know is they provide with a small material to wipe and clean the product. There are certain do's and don'ts, that you should not use perfume or any other chemical while wearing the accessories or on the accessories. I believe no one should do. If you accidentally do, you have this to remind you. Wait until, if you put a lotion, wait until it is dried, and then what do you say, put the jewelry, because obviously moisture captures to silver and gold jewelry, so it ends up to, you know, it fade its color or something as so these are the points that I believe everyone should know about, and which we tend to not to know because we do not know to take care of our stuff. Products, if you see here, I have I've just scrolled the website as a screenshot for you guys to see. Also you can see they have multiple collection of jewelry, which is morely focusing on silver jewelry, but there might be one or two gold that you can look into it. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll be adding the link and the discount code here, right here, also on my description and my Instagram page, so you can go and click and purchase yours. And if you want, you can, it does not need to be on the Mother's Day you gift your mother or something, just gift them without a reason. That's how the beauty of love is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys love this product, and I hope it's the same, you know, the same feedback comes from you guys too. And yeah, thanks for watching.